44 News tonight, we meet a parent who's willing to take legal action to keep his varsity athlete and others in the action. As 44 News reporter Aaron Huber discovered, a move to the EVSC Virtual Academy blurring the eligibility line, which could bench some students.
You can see the love Brian Bennett has for his son in the smile on his face.
He's going into his sophomore season, sophomore year at North. Straight A student, great athlete. Just I have no complaints as a father about anything about him.
But to keep his son Sean, who has asthma, safe during the pandemic, his family has opted to have him stay at home this year and take lessons online as part of EVSC's Virtual Academy. But according to Bennett, his attorney Brandon Danks, and these guidelines posted on the Virtual Academy webpage, that means no extracurriculars, no varsity year for Sean, and potentially a permanent impact on his future in football.
He's been practicing with the team. He wears a mask. He'll wear a mask underneath his helmet. He wears long sleeves. Anything to basically stay as safe as humanly possible. And that's where the EVSC is saying, if you want to play sports, you have to go be around 1,500 students, in an enclosed environment. If not, you can't play sports.
Prompting Bennett to send this legal demand letter to the superintendent to make a change.
Essentially what it was to bring to his attention the effect of this new EVSC policy that is going to prevent all these students that want to minimize their risk to COVID exposure. Anyone that opts to do this virtual academy is not going to have the opportunity to participate in sports.
Under Indiana High School Athletic Association redefinitions released July 16th, a student-athlete learning online in classes taught by member school personnel can attend 100% of the day virtually and still participate in education-based athletics. But it then goes on to say a school may still require in-building attendance for athletic participation. Evansville-Vanderburgh School Corporation's General Legal Counsel telling 44 News he's not aware of any particular EVSC rule at this time that mandates the in-person attendance.
In the past, any child who attended a virtual school had to complete at least a semester before they became eligible.
The attorney adds they'll follow the most up-to-date Indiana High School Athletic Association eligibility rules.
As amended or updated by the COVID and emergency requirements, we don't choose any child for special treatment, nor do we discriminate against any child. We provide them equal opportunities within the bounds of the law.
But it seems there's still a lot of confusion on exactly where the virtual academy itself falls under IHSAA. Tonight, Bennett and his son are waiting for a legal response from the district. Aaron Huber, 44 News.
Thank you, Aaron. And while